Bro, this is getting out of hand. Do you want to see something your brain is absolutely not ready for? Because what you're about to see was fully generated by AI. No camera, no Photoshop, no Illustrator, no 3D modeler, just one prompt. Look at this. Yeah, that's Nano Banana Pro. And this is only the beginning. Higgsfield just dropped the updated Nano Banana Pro, their new pro-level image engine, powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model, and it is genuinely insane. You take an idea, a celebrity, a fictional character, a doodle, or even a 9-photo reference. You type one prompt, and Higgsfield turns it into a full-blown 4K image. Accurate face, accurate text, accurate hands, accurate logic. No weird fingers, no glitchy logos, no broken anatomy. It's honestly the closest thing to imagination reality that exists right now. So today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, using real demos, real prompts, and real results. And I'll show you how far you can push Nano Banana Pro once you understand how powerful it actually is. Let's jump right in. So first, open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai. I'll leave the link in the description. When the website loads, you'll see it's not just one tool. It's a full creative suite. Image models, video tools, editing canvas, everything in one place. But today we're focusing on the big one, Nano Banana Pro. Hover over the Image tab at the top, click Nano Banana Pro, and welcome to your new addiction. At the bottom, you'll see the input bar where the magic happens. Here you can type your prompt, upload up to 9 photos, choose your model, select aspect ratio, pick image quality 1K, 2K, or 4K, turn unlimited generations on off, and yes, you can even draw directly on your canvas. And before we go further, important, Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year if you subscribe before the deadline. This is genuinely one of the lowest priced Pro AI models on the market right now. All right, let's create something crazy. Let's start simple. I'll paste my first prompt. Ultra-realistic photo of Beyoncé repairing a futuristic robot arm inside a neon cyberpunk garage, wearing a mechanic jumpsuit, holographic screens floating around her, crisp 4K details. I'll select my aspect ratio, choose 4K quality, and click Generate. A few seconds later, boom. The face is perfect, the hands are perfect, the lighting, bro, it looks like a real studio photo shoot. This is the biggest upgrade of Nano Banana Pro. It actually understands what you're asking for. Colors, composition, objects, background, everything matches the prompt with scary accuracy. Now let's change something. Looking at the result, I think the background is a bit too busy, so I'll write remove 2 holographic screens and add a glowing tool rack behind her instead. I'll click Generate, and a few seconds later, it updates the scene exactly how I described it. Here's the before and after. Cleaner, sharper, more focused. This is where Nano Banana Pro shines. It doesn't hallucinate. It thinks before it generates thanks to Gemini 3 Pro's reasoning model. All right, now the fun part. Let's animate Beyoncé in the workshop. Click Video under the image. On the left, you'll see options to paste your video prompt, change the video model, adjust duration, choose resolution, 720p, 1080p, etc. I'll write smooth cinematic animation of Beyoncé, tightening bolts on the robot arm, sparks flying, camera slowly dollying forward. Then I'll click Generate. Wait a moment. And bro, the animation looks like it came from a sci-fi movie trailer. Let's push it further. I want to test how far Nano Banana Pro will go. So let's try something absurd. Prompt. Tom Cruise sprinting away from a giant inflatable rubber duck rolling down a hill, filmed like an action movie chase. I click Generate, and yes, it creates it. Perfect face, perfect scale, perfect lighting, even the physics make sense. Now let's animate it. The giant rubber duck rolling faster, Tom Cruise jumping over a fence in slow motion, dramatic camera angle. I click Generate, and honestly, this model is unhinged in the best way possible. Now let's test the sketch feature. I'll upload this rough doodle I made of a knight holding a glowing sword, just a few scribbles. Then I'll write, transform this sketch into a fully detailed fantasy warrior in ornate silver armor, glowing blue sword, misty forest background. Keep the same pose. I click Generate, and bro. Nano Banana Pro turns my kindergarten level drawing into a full epic fantasy character. This alone would take hours in traditional design tools. Let's animate it. Heroic shot of the knight raising the glowing sword as the light ripples through the forest. I click generate and just look at that. This is why everyone is talking about Higgsfield right now. Now, one of the biggest upgrades, text accuracy. Let me test something that breaks 99% of image models. Prompt, a clean product mockup of a new energy drink can be labeled Meta Thunder Zero Sugar with accurate typography, barcode, ingredients list, and reflection on a marble table. I click generate. The text is sharp, readable, no weird symbols, no typos. This is where Nano Banana Pro destroys the competition. Let's try logic reasoning, a whiteboard with a correct written physics equation, E equals mc squared, plus a diagram of a triangle labeled A, B, C. I click generate. Perfectly drawn, perfect math symbols, perfect layout. Let's try a fictional character test. Prompt, create a badge for a fictional character named Star Fox Jr., a smiling fox astronaut wearing a small space helmet, bright blue background, clean HD badge style. I click generate. Looks incredible. The name is correct. The character is consistent. Let's animate it. Star Fox Jr. floating in zero gravity, waving at the camera with a cheerful bounce. I click generate. Bro, this is Pixar level energy. Let me show you some other things Nano Banana Pro can generate. Chris Hemsworth cooking noodles in a samurai outfit, a deep-sea explorer walking past bioluminescent whales, a 100 times zoom of a cyberpunk city, a baby dragon sitting on a VR headset, a realistic map screenshot with coordinates, product packaging with correct text, multi-pose character sheets, tactical actor lineups, ultra-clean infographics. All of this from just a few words. Nano Banana Pro is not an AI image generator. It's basically a professional production studio powered by AI. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is important. Higgsfield is currently the cheapest premium AI platform on the market. Monthly pricing, basic $9, Pro $29, Ultimate $49, Creator Plan $250. But if you take the annual plans, you save a lot. Pro drops from $29, $17 per month. Ultimate from $49, $29 per month. Creator from $250, be $150 per month. And the biggest offer, if you subscribe right now before Nov 28th, you get unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 full year. That's basically unlimited 4K images, unlimited characters, unlimited edits for an entire year. And that is Nano Banana Pro, a tool that turns pure imagination into production-ready images, animations, edits, and creative concepts, all inside one platform. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Trust me, once you start, you're not sleeping tonight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered creativity tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'm Nisam, and I'll see you in the next one.